Just to answer you guys, no, I am not a prophet of doom. Had I foreseen that Ziidi was going to have such challenges that it's having today? Neither here nor there. Maybe yes or maybe no. What challenges am I talking about? So there has been complaints about Ziidi clients not being able to access their money when they try to withdraw. And of course, there has been a panic. We are just right into the panic that Cusco gave us, the Cusco scare on circles. So we are panicking about circles. People are talking about MMFs having reached their saturation. And then just right into the mix of that, Cusco scare, circles, MMF, Ziidi decides to have a challenge. I know it was not intentional, but then we face a challenge with Ziidi. Trying to withdraw your money, hawezi pata. I don't know if you are a member of Ziidi, if you are in Ziidi, did you try to withdraw your money yesterday or today and you are not able to? By the way, it has already been fixed. But had you made an attempt to withdraw your money, but you are not able to withdraw your money? Let me know in the comment section. And how did that make you feel? Did you panic? It's natural for you to panic. It is okay for you to panic. But this now is a good opportunity for us to understand the risks of MMFs. Alright? I had captured this at a high level in my previous videos. It's also good for us to understand how safe our monies are in MMF. The money that you invest with your MMF does not lie with your fund manager. It lies with the fund's custodian. Unfortunately, at the point of doing this video, I still haven't figured out whom the custodian for Ziidi is. Whether it is Safaricom itself or it is another bank, I honestly don't know. But I do know that the fund managers are Ala Capital, Sanlam, and SIB. I also do not know in what ratio these fund managers are managing this money. Are they sharing a third, or is it like at that time, like the first 1 billion is managed by Ala Capital, the next 3 billion is managed by Sanlam, and any amount in excess is managed by SIB? I honestly do not know. But I know for a fact that it's managed by 3 fund managers as per CMA. What happened today is anything that could happen to any institution, to any system. Anything could have happened. I honestly do not know. Maybe they were doing a systems upgrade and there was a hitilafu mahali, or there was an attempt to hack it and they decided to protect it, or anything can happen, or they're doing a system maintenance. However, whenever there's a planned system maintenance, the institution will always communicate to you. It is normal for it is an inconvenience, yes, but it is not out of the ordinary for an institution to face such system downtimes. Anything could have happened. I don't know what happened, but anything could have happened. However, I am here to tell you and to reassure you that you do not need to panic. When Ziidi comes up, if you had already assessed your risk and having watched my previous video, if you had watched my previous video and you had assessed your risk appetite and you were comfortable investing with Ziidi, then there is absolutely no reason for you to withdraw that investment from Ziidi into another MMF, not unless you had planned to do so even without the system downtimes. Okay, why? Because your money is safe. Your money is safe. It's with the custodian. I don't know whom your custodian is, but I know your money is safe. At least for Genghis, at least for Mali, I knew the custodian. But for Ziidi, I am yet to know whom the custodian is. By the way, if you happen to know the custodian for Ziidi, please let us know in the comment section. Who is the custodian for Ziidi? I honestly do not know. And probably I haven't dug in further to know whom the custodian is. But if you know, kindly share with us in the comment section who is the custodian for Ziidi. And are you a member of Ziidi? Did you invest in Ziidi? Did you try to withdraw your money? and you are unable to. And how did that make you feel? I think it should be back up now. If not, it's about to be up. But how does it make you feel? Is it throwing you in did you make you go in a panic mode? Or how did that make you feel? Or was it just an inconvenience? Because the notice period for Ziidi is instant withdrawal, just like M-Pesa. So picture yourself, this is an MMF that you can save your money in, your emergency funds. You can be on the supermarket line, you're queuing, and you withdraw your money from Ziidi and you're sure you can transact with it. You can walk into a hotel, eat your food, order your food and eat, knowing very well you have money in Ziidi. And then when you try to withdraw it, you can't access money. Now, now, this also brings us to something that I've been talking about, which I didn't intend to mention in this video, but the benefit of diversification. Picture having invested all your money in that single MMF, and then you have an emergency at midnight. You're supposed to be going in for admission. Maybe it's your hospital bill money that you're keeping there. You are pregnant. Your wife is pregnant. The baby is coming. You have to rush her to the hospital. Your money is in Ziidi and you can't access it. Diversification. Asset diversification. Or you have walked into a hotel alone or with your date. You have ordered your food. You guys have eaten. Even during the time when you're eating, you're not bothered because you know you have your 500k in Ziidi. You only need to withdraw your 50k or your 3k, depending on the amount that you want to access. Once your bill is brought, you attempt to withdraw and you can't withdraw. That is an inconvenience. And that is why it is important for you to diversify your investments. There is nothing that stops you from having at least 2 or 3 money market fund accounts. You can have your Ziidi, you can have your Etica, you can have your CIC, your KCB. There are so many, we have so many options that it is not okay for you to just have one money market fund account, especially if it's an instance where you're saving your emergency funds. Let me know your experience with Ziidi in the comment section. How was your experience? Were you affected with the Ziidi outage yesterday or today? And how did that make you feel? Did it make you panic? Otherwise, let's meet on the next video.